For example, let us take a look into the data set that we are having here, and we are going to check the relationship between mathematics score and the reading score. So what we can do now is say x coordinates, and remember on x coordinate we are going to put independent variable there. So the independent variable is going to be reading score, because reading is not depending with anything. If the student does not know how to read, the student does not know how to read, full stop. But for the student to pass mathematics, it depends with the ability of the student to read the questions, to understand the concept. So x here, we are going to assign a independent variable. And this independent variable is the reading skills. So let us put a reading score here. Reading score. Now on the y-axis, or the f of x, we are going to put the dependent variable. Let us call this y. And let us write our data frame, and let us filter the data, the column that we want to use. So we want to use mathematics here. So math score. Math score is a dependent variable, while reading score is independent variable. Now, let's say plot.show. Let's say plot.scatter. We're going to use a scatter plot to check the correlation, scatter x and y. So what we can do, we can even put in place the title here, and our title we can call it student performance. Then we can also put the x label, and on the x label we are going to pass our independent variable. Our independent variable is the reading score. So this is independent variable, and on our y-axis we are putting our dependent variable there. And we have said that the dependent variable is math score. Math is depending with the student's ability to read. So math score here. So now we put it, we say dependent. So now we can plot our graph. So plt.show. Right, let us run. Right, as you can see, we have 1,000 observations. We have 1,000 observations on our students' performance. And we can see that if we are to put a linear line here, we can see that there is a positive relationship between the student, the reading score, and the mathematics score. If the student know how to read, since this is an independent variable, as the student know how to read, it means there is a high chance that the student will pass. The higher the student's ability to read, the higher also the score. This is a positive relationship. So I think this is all for this lesson. Thank you for watching. See you on the next lesson. Bye-bye.